So you've decided to start your own business. Congratulations. I have 5 financial items that I want you to think about before you open your doors. Number 1, what kind of entity are you going to be? Now, you're going to get help from your accountant or your attorney on this, but before you pay them big bucks, go to Google. I want you to Google LLC, partnership, sub-S corp, sole proprietor. I do not recommend the sole proprietor for most people just because there's some tax advantages the other way, but again, talk to your accountant about that. You're going to determine this in advance because this is going to set up how you do everything else that we're going to talk about. The one thing that I want you to do is make sure that you set up a separate checking account for that entity. Think of that entity as its own person. It is not you, unless you do the sole proprietor. But if you do anything else, it's its own body. Number 2, I want you to review financial software. Don't go crazy with this because you may change it years down the road, but you need something. It can be Quicken, it can be QuickBooks, it can be online, it can be a desktop version. It doesn't matter, but you need something because all of these hints are going to help you not have to backpedal later. So, review your software. Number 3, I want you to block out time in your calendar when you're first starting or if you're struggling every single week to review your financials. It could be 15 minutes or it could be an hour. Now, as you get going down the path, this could probably bump to once a month. It's really easy to get complacent about this if times are really good. And then when times aren't so good or you're just starting out, you find yourself staring at them. Stay religious to your calendaring of this. Because if you do, then when times are good and you're reviewing them and you know exactly where you are, those bad times won't be so bad. Number 4, I want you to determine your expense and income categories. This is where that financial software that we talked about is going to help you. Because in most of those, they'll give you types of businesses. You pick one and then they'll give you some suggested categories. You can add to those, delete those as those pertain to you. Don't go crazy. It's really easy to want to have a category for absolutely everything. Office supplies, consumables, that can be one category. You don't have to have one for dry erase markers and one for pens. Keep it simple. Your accountant will appreciate you. Simple is better. Number 5, and this is one of the most important, setting your budget. And this is the hardest one because when you first start out, you have no idea what you're realistically going to make and what you're going to spend. You have some ideas, but be ready. This is a very fluid piece of paper. But set what you think you're going to make, set what you think your expenses are, and keep a really tight eye on it when you're first starting, and stick to it best you can, and then tweak where needed.